Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick review of this Powerfix crimping plier set, which was on sale in Lidl a couple of weeks ago. I've had this one for quite some time. I thought I'd show you what it's about. Flicks open in there, you get a selection of those sorts of things and those sorts of things, those, and indeed those. You also get a few pin crimps, like, come on, those, and indeed these. So what you get, the main tool you get is this. It's reasonably good. It has a cutter there and it has crimpers for your insulated ones that come with it. It does have a set of teeth there that looks like it does the other sort of crimp connectors, but it doesn't work very well. I'll show you what I mean. Hold on, let me go grab a box of those. It looks like it's supposed to be able to do that sort of thing, but it doesn't do it very well, and I'm not going to show you that because it's not very good at that. But it does this kind of thing very well. So let's have a look. Firstly, what you get, this is a sort of cable you do lighting with. It slices through that sort of stuff quite easily. This stripper here, that is a stop. If you pull that out towards, you can then slide that in and out, and that will in practice strip that kind of cable quite easily, leaving you those, and you can just feed that straight back in there. Do that and leaves you all your wires crimped. It's quite nice like that, very good, and if you're wiring up stuff, that will speed your time up immeasurably. Whereas a little bit less good, this is your average mains cable, which is round rather than this, which is twin and earth flat cable. This is the sort of stuff you'd use for wiring up a house, probably on an electric circuit because it's a low current. That doesn't cut that, or at least that, no, that might cut that if you squeeze it in, but it won't cut any thicker. That won't strip that either. So if you want to strip the outer on that cable, you're going to need a sharp knife like this. Put that round. Make sure you don't cut into your thumb, because that would be bad. Break off the outer. But once you're in there, that will then strip those cables absolutely fine. And this automatically adjusts pretty much to any cable thickness. So that works quite well. And I did, if you watched me do the Griffin motor, you saw me putting on the crimp connectors, but I'll just put one on for now. What have we got? Now these things, I'm not fond of these. Fold that over in half, that's quite excessively long. Shove that in that hole, to there. Put it on the blue. Give that quite a hard squeeze. and you also want to go back a bit and give that quite a hard squeeze. And that's on, and that's quite tight. So that's functional, it works, it's pretty good. So if you are doing a lot of wiring, I'd recommend it quite a lot, particularly as it's only, I think it's something like £9.99, or no, that's £7.99. It is quite cheap. What I did prefer though, and I might do a review of this at some point, which I purchased off of the dreaded Amazon, is that kit. You'll note that thing there is the crimper, not is a crimper, is a wire stripper, is almost identical to the Parkside one, but what it has as well is this piece of kit here, which is a ratchet crimp, which has a number of die sets, and this one is magic for doing crimping of that sort of thing. And this one comes with lots of dies, and if you want to see me do a video on that, leave a comment down below and I will do a video review of that. So that's what I use for doing, what I use for putting on those sorts of ends, which will be coming up when I do a control circuit for a washing machine motor, which will be coming. Right, so there we go. Powerfix crimping plier set. For your average use, excellent tool. And certainly well worth the money. That makes stripping these sorts of wires very quick. If you're wiring, if you are trying to wire up, put in lights like I did in here, being able to do that in 2 clicks is very, very nice without any messing around. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications.